Digital HQ, a single platform for comprehensive workplace management. According to the Microsoft Work Trend Index survey, a significant 85% of employees are inspired to come back to the office, driven by the desire to rebuild and strengthen team relationships. Additionally, an impressive 84% find motivation in the prospect of reconnecting with their colleagues. These statistics highlight the importance of human connections in the evolving work landscape. Now let's explore the primary challenges that employees face in the hybrid work model. First is the disorganization due to the lack of proper management in a hybrid work environment, which can hinder productivity and collaboration. The second is insufficient desks and office resources for all employees. It can lead to workspace challenges and hinder a seamless work experience. Also, bearing the costs of unused space and resources can strain budgets and require efficient space utilization solutions. Lastly, remote work can make integration challenging, especially for new employees who may have limited face-to-face interactions and find it hard to get to know the whole team. We found the right solutions for the challenges. The Digital HQ app. In our meetings and bookings modules, we've tailored solutions to address all the unique challenges of hybrid work. From scheduling to reservations, Digital HQ got you covered. Experience the power of a transparent work schedule that not only organizes your hybrid work, but also provides valuable insights into the work plans of colleagues. With our advanced analytics, you can effortlessly track the utilization of office space and other resources, ensuring optimal efficiency and cost savings for your organization. Prioritizing employee well-being is at the core of our approach. We're committed to integrating and strengthening bonds among your team, creating a happier and more cohesive work environment. And the benefits. They're abundant. With Digital HQ, you can drastically cut costs and boost space management efficiency by monitoring resource utilization to free up unused areas, reducing rental and operational expenses. Experience a significant enhancement in your organization's workflow. Thanks to our transparent work schedule, accessible to all employees, everyone can effortlessly check who is working remotely, in the office, or on vacation, and even view desk or resource reservations on an office map. Rev up meeting efficiency and end ghost meetings using our efficient scheduling and reservation systems. Make every meeting count with the survey option, allowing participants to vote for the most convenient meeting times. Reconnect your team and build stronger employee bonds by fostering a sense of community and belonging with our solutions. Our well-being module allows for clear visibility of building activities and event signups, enhancing engagement. With Digital HQ tailored solutions, we're ready to assist your organization in navigating the challenges and opportunities of hybrid work. Let's shape a brighter future together.